Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Happy Friday, you guys. I hope you guys have some sort of plans for the weekend. Staying indoors or outside. I don't know what I'm going to have planned for the weekend, but I'm going to come up with something really quick really soon because it is getting repetitive out here. So today's video, you guys, is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing, and we are opening our April box. Wow, April. I feel like I haven't opened a BoxyCharm box with you guys in a hot minute, so that's what we're gonna do today. This is a full face of BoxyCharm only. I mean, besides like my foundation and stuff like that, but we are going to be trying out all the products in our BoxyCharm. Oh my god, you guys, my brain is like scattered. I think this baby is hungry and mama is hungry too, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go on and eat because I am hungry. I hope you guys enjoy this try on of all the BoxyCharm products. As always, let me know in the comment section below what your favorite product is, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this April BoxyCharm unboxing slash try on. I'm going to start off today with a bare face. As you can see, no eyebrows, no foundation, nothing, and that's because I've already taken a little peek into my BoxyCharm, and I saw that we had some face masks, so obviously we're going to try those. Opening up my box, we actually have two cards here. This one is the Festival Vibes. Oh my god, I cannot speak today. BoxyCharm card. When you open it, you get, as always, all the products listing names, the Luxy box, and other products that are just mentioned here. So we are going to get right into the masks. You're also getting a little makeup eraser card. This one is for a reusable towel to remove your makeup. I actually own a few of these and I really do love them. But we are going to be trying the face masks. So we received 3 different masks from Moly. These are the Umbriel Sheet Masks. The 3-layer pulp sheet is filled with a natural ingredient and soaked in different types of enriched essentials to yield maximum hydration for your skin. Transform dull and tired skin into healthy, moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. So these have an MSRP of $9. So the ones that I got are the Calming Hemp Mask Sheet. Oh my god. This is the Illuminating Lotus Mask Sheet. I don't know why my brain isn't functioning today. It's because it's Thursday or what. And this is the Purifying Cactus Mask Sheet. So I think I'm going to do the illuminating one because I've already pretty much like washed my face and done like my skincare. These are the ones that make you look like a serial killer. So I'm going to pop this one on. That one smells super yummy. Okay, so my mask is on now. You're supposed to leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm only going to leave it for 20 minutes because I don't feel like sitting here for half an hour doing nothing. Hang tight, you guys. I'll be back in just 1 second for you. 20 minutes for me. My skin feels already so moisturized from the mask. I'm actually really digging it. Like, do you guys see how like glowy it looks? And I didn't apply anything else to my skin besides just the mask. I just kind of like let it sink in. So next we're going to try the Benefits, the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. So we are going to be super hydrated today, you guys. I have one of these and I've actually never tried it. This is a full-size primer. So this does have an MSRP of $32. This claims to hydrate the skin and prime it, of course, to prolong the wear of your makeup, as well as minimize the pores and fine lines. So I'm going to take a little bit right here at the base of the face, and we're going to see how this looks. Ooh. Not only does it smell good, but I really like the way that it's looking, like my pores. Cool. So that did take a little bit of shine away from like like that natural shine that I had on the skin, but that's totally fine. So now I am gonna go ahead and try the iconic London Illuminator. This one is in the shade Original. Now this one retails for $41. Holy cannoli, that is a lot of moolah for a liquid highlighter. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to apply it all over the face because I do have somewhat of a textured skin, especially like my pores, so I don't want to accentuate them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply them to the places where I normally would highlight my face, but I'm only going to apply a little bit because I know that these are intense. Gave me so much glow. I'm just going to blend this down to the cheek. I'm really excited though that we got this because if you guys have ever tried it, you guys probably love it. There's so many people that love these highlighters, and I feel like I'm definitely going to get a good use out of them because they are so pretty, especially like now for the summer, applying a little bit of this in like your collarbone or like your shoulder blades, your, what is this, like your shoulders, if you're wearing like pretty dresses or anything like that. It's going to look so bomb because this just makes your skin look wet. Do you guys see that? Oh, I kind of live for this like wet skin look. Okay, so I'm going to apply my foundation. Let me grab that real quick. Okay, I think I want to keep kind of like my skin looking super like glowy and pretty. So I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild foundation. You guys, I am obsessed with this little illuminator. Like, look at how like wet my skin looks. I really like this look over an overly highlighted skin, if that makes sense. I feel like this just looks like my skin is just like radiant and glowy. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this palette by Zoeva. This is the caramel or caramel melange palette, and this is what the inside looks like. It honestly reminds me so much of the KKW. It was one of her first palettes that came out. I don't remember. I remember purchasing it and I hated it. It was like garbage in my eyes. I didn't like the quality or the pigmentation. But this eyeshadow palette retails for $28. This is supposed to be highly pigmented and easy to blend. It also is enriched with vitamin E. So let's go ahead and see what kind of look we create. Like, I want to go for something peachy because I am wearing like peachy orangey blouse, shirt, whatever. I'm going to start off with the shade Start Soft, which is this one right here. It's a really pretty peachy colored shade. I think I'm going to mainly stick with like these right here. We'll see. Ooh, this shade is stunning, you guys. I really like it. Okay, so now that that's blended, P.S. these eyeshadows are just blending like a dream, super creamy. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Finish Sensual, which is the shade right here. It's like a pretty, it's almost peachy, but it has a little bit of cool tones under it, or cool tones. And I'm just going to grab it in that same brush. You guys know that I always use my Vermona switch just to use the same brush. And I'm going to deepen up the crease just a little bit more. I really like the quality and the pigment in these eyeshadows. They're very, very creamy. And they definitely blend really nicely, just like it said. And it feels like they are super buttery. And then really quickly, I'm going to grab a flat brush like this, and I'm going to dig into the shade Wax Paper, which is the white vanilla shade. You guys already know. I'm going to lay that on top of the brow bone. Whoa. Okay, hello pigment. I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to go back with my blending brush, buff out the edges. Now I'm going to switch to a different brush. I'm actually just going to use this one that I used the other day when I was filming. I'm going to clean it off, just remove any excess eyeshadow that might be lingering there, and then I'm going to take the shade Alchemy. I believe that's how you pronounce it, which is a soft peachy shade. Oh, you guys know my love for peach is undeniable, and I'm just going to add that to the very top. Oh my god, this color is stunning. I'm just gonna add that right in here just to kind of help me even blend the edges further. I like to do more of a circular motion versus like windshield wiper motions. I feel like it just makes a bit of a difference in the way the shadows lay down. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and my little, like pretty much like my setting spray, and I'm going to get that nice and wet. I'm going to pick up the shade Liquid Center, which is the peachy one. I'm just going to stick with all peach colors on the eyes. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that, you guys. And I'm just going to tap that. Okay, so it's a little more coppery. That's okay. Like coppery orange. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and we can come back and try the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. I am so excited when I opened it and I saw that it was nude. I was like, yes! I've actually never tried like their liquid or the lipsticks like this, so I'm excited, and it's peach, so it's going to look perfect with this look. And then, of course, to seal it all off, we are going to do or add the Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Glaze. This is a cruelty-free brand, so that is definitely a plus. Oh, that is such a pretty color. Ooh, and it's creamy. I kind of like how it's like slanted. Do you guys see that? So it makes it really easy to like apply the lipstick. All right, you guys, and this is the end. This is the final look. I'm kind of living like it's almost like a soft glam, because you guys know that I normally do like really intense, dramatic, deep toned looks. So the total MSRP, or the total value for this month's box, is $127. Honestly, I am extremely happy with everything that we got in our BoxyCharm. From the palette to the lipstick, oh, I'm obsessed with the lipstick, the formula. What else did we get? The masks are really good, and the iconic liquid illuminator is just definitely a win for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go fix my hair because it looks a little bit crazy. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!